Guess where we're going?
We going cruising!
Woohoo! I think it doesn't get any better than this.
Might if we had a daiquiri or something.
Pina colada.
Pina colada to drink.
It's a little bit too early.
Nah. It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
All right, this is going to be our home for the next 9 days.
Here's the bathroom, or as it's properly called on a ship, the head. Good sized shower. It will be more than adequate for the week we're on board. This is the main portion of the room. Have a good sized TV, desk, sofa area. Oh, look at our life jackets, bright orange. Makes you feel like we might be on the Titanic, huh?
Oh no, don't say that.
It's a veranda room. So here we are, obviously still in port. We're at the forward end of the ship on the port side, deck 7. And as you can see, we're directly below the bridge. Two chairs.
Well, I can cut pieces out, yeah.
So now we're looking towards the entry door to the cabin. As you come into the cabin, you have closets and drawers. There's a safe as well. Oh, pretty robes.
Robes.
A refrigerator, bar area. And yes, there's a fee for all that stuff in the refrigerator.
And I got drawers. Ooh.
Shallow drawers.
Yeah, but there's still drawers. Ooh. So 3 drawers. Oh, you'll have to come in, Dad. Lots of hanging space.
Closet. They even provided an umbrella.
Oh, so $30 a bag if we decide we want to do
laundry
midway. So that's not bad. Lots of area. So there's lots of storage.
Yep.
Okay.
And then of course, that's the door heading out to the hall. And this is the door here to the bathroom. Okay, this is the Lido Terrace balcony overlooking the pool. They have a screen where they show movies. Three hot tubs. There's a bar on the lower level pizza place here on the upper level, although they're serving breakfast right now. And then right back here we have another bar. So the roof is also retractable here. Right now they have it just about closed for the night, but they'll open it up as it warms up today.
We sailed on the Holland America Rotterdam in November 2025 for 9 days and visited Aruba, Bonaire, and Curaçao. We cruised through beautiful waters, amazing sunrises, and dramatic sunsets. There is just something about a cruise that takes all our stress away and brings us to the height of relaxation. We love exploring all the places the ship docks. We have broken up this adventure into 3 videos for you. The first one, A Day in Aruba, is already up on the channel. This is the second one, and then stay tuned for the third and the last video for our days in Bonaire and Curaçao. We hope that you enjoy our videos and our content, and if you do, please like and subscribe. We would love to hear from you about your cruises, so comment below. Okay, on with the rest of the show. We should say that we've enjoyed the food here a lot. We've ate in the dining room a lot. We've had really great meals. We've had steak several times. We've had sea bass. We've had
fish and chips.
Fish and chips. So our experience on Holland America as far as the food goes is we have no complaints. Good service, good food.
And in fact, we just left Morimoto's for dinner. We had a wonderful dinner.
Now on this ship on Rotterdam, it's a pop-up dining, so they don't actually have a Morimoto restaurant here. So one night they do a pop-up dinner. So we had made reservations there because last year on the Amsterdam, we actually ate there, and we enjoyed it so much we knew that we wanted to do it again.
Yeah. Great food.
It was very good food, and
service was outstanding.
Yeah.
It was just
impeccable.
You can't ask for a nicer evening as far as I'm concerned.
Now we had Mark had shrimp 3 ways, and we'll show you pictures here in the video. I had the beef tenderloin, didn't I?
Yep.
And we had pork dumplings for an appetizer. And for dinner, which we will show you here, we had a dark chocolate sphere dessert. I mean, it's amazing. It's just amazing. The waitress will pour the hot caramel on the sphere, and it melts away, and underneath that is ice cream and
marshmallow and yumminess.
Ooh, it's very good. And
very decadent.
And on the side of that, there's this little line of chocolate yumminess, and it was actually cheesecake. It was so good. At any rate, if you have the opportunity to do the pop-up restaurant for Morimoto, you've got to do it. It is excellent.
There's our ship, Rotterdam. We're building a pier so that cruise ships can actually dock here. Plus they're putting in more infrastructure, more buildings, more cabins. So we're here suffering on our floaties. Water's not bad. It's a little on the chilly side. But somebody's got to do it. It's a task. We're charged with this on vacation. What do you think, Denise?
I think it doesn't get any better than this.
Might if we had a daiquiri or something. Pina colada to drink.
It's a little bit too early.
Nah, it's 5 o'clock somewhere. A booze truck, our problem might be solved.